Hello everyone, and welcome to Money Master USA. If you are living in the United States and want to save money but don't know where to start, then this video is exactly for you. Many people in the USA earn a decent income, sometimes even a very good income, but still struggle to save money at the end of the month. Bills get paid, expenses are covered, but savings stay close to zero. The problem is not always income. In most cases, the real issue is money management. Without proper planning and habits, money slips away very quickly. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 simple, practical, and beginner-friendly ways that can help you save more money every single month. These tips are realistic, easy to follow, and can be applied immediately, even if you are a student, a new immigrant, or a working professional. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I also have a bonus tip that can seriously improve your financial life in the long run. So let's get started. First of all, tip number 1. Track your expenses. This is the most important step when it comes to saving money. You cannot fix a problem if you don't know where the problem is. Most people don't actually know where their money goes every month. They feel like they are not spending much, but small expenses silently eat up their income. Things like daily coffee, snacks, online shopping, food delivery, ride sharing, and subscriptions slowly add up. Each expense looks small on its own, but together they can cost you hundreds of dollars every month. At the end of the month, you are left wondering where your money disappeared. To fix this, you need to track every single dollar you spend. You can use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, or you can simply use a basic spreadsheet or even a notebook. The method doesn't matter. What matters is consistency. Write down everything you spend, no matter how small it looks. Even a $2 coffee or a $5 snack should be included. Do this for at least one full month. Once you track your expenses, you will clearly see your spending habits. You will easily identify where you are wasting money and where you can cut back. When you clearly see the problem, fixing it becomes much easier and less stressful. Now let's move to tip number 2. Create a budget. A budget is like a roadmap for your money. Without a budget, your money controls you. With a budget, you control your money. Many people think budgeting is boring or restrictive, but that's not true. A good budget actually gives you freedom and peace of mind. One of the easiest and most popular budgeting methods is the 50-30-20 rule. According to this rule, 50% of your income should go to your needs, like rent, groceries, utilities, insurance, and transportation. 30% can be used for wants, like entertainment, eating out, shopping, or hobbies. And the remaining 20% should go directly into savings. If 20% feels too high in the beginning, that's okay. You can start with 10% or even 5%. The most important thing is to start and stay consistent. A budget does not mean you stop enjoying your life. It simply means you spend your money intentionally instead of emotionally. When you have a budget, you stop impulse purchases and start making smarter financial decisions. Over time, budgeting becomes a habit, and saving money feels natural instead of forced. Now let's talk about tip number 3. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. This is one of the fastest ways to save money without changing your lifestyle too much. Most people in the USA are subscribed to multiple services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, gym memberships, music apps, cloud storage, and more. The problem is not subscriptions themselves. The problem is unused subscriptions. Many people pay for services they rarely use or don't even remember subscribing to. Take 10 minutes and review all your monthly subscriptions through your bank or credit card statements. Ask yourself one simple question. Do I really use this? If the answer is no, cancel it. You can always subscribe again later if needed. Saving $10, $20, or $30 per month might not seem like much. But over a year, it can easily turn into hundreds of dollars. This is smart money management, not sacrifice. Now tip number 4. Cook at home instead of eating out. Eating out or ordering takeout in the USA can be very expensive. Restaurants, fast food, and delivery apps charge high prices, plus taxes, service fees, and tips. If you eat out frequently, you are probably spending hundreds of dollars every month without realizing it. Cooking at home is one of the most powerful ways to save money. You don't need to cook fancy meals or become a professional chef. Simple home-cooked food is healthier, cheaper, and more satisfying. Meal prepping is especially helpful. Plan your meals for the week, buy groceries in bulk when possible, and avoid food waste. When food is already prepared, you are less likely to order takeout. By cooking at home consistently, you can easily save $200 to $300 every month. That money can be redirected toward savings, emergency funds, or investments. Now let's move to tip number 5. Automate your savings. This is a habit that almost all successful savers use. The idea is very simple but extremely powerful. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every month. As soon as you receive your salary, a fixed amount should automatically move into your savings. This way, saving happens before spending. You don't rely on willpower. You don't wait to see what's left at the end of the month. Automation removes temptation and excuses. You don't have to remember to save money. It happens automatically in the background. Even if you start with a small amount, like $50 or $100, it makes a big difference over time. Consistency matters more than the amount. Small steps done regularly lead to big results. Now here's a bonus tip for you. Use cash back and rewards credit cards wisely. If you already spend money on groceries, gas, or bills, cash back cards can give you extra benefits. You can earn rewards, points, or cash back on your regular spending. However, this only works if you are disciplined. Always pay the full balance every month. Never carry a balance. Never pay interest. Credit cards should be a tool, not a trap. Used correctly, they can help you save more money. Used incorrectly, they can destroy your finances. So friends, these were 5 easy and effective ways to save money in the USA, especially for beginners. You don't need to be rich to save money. You don't need a high salary. You just need the right habits and the right mindset. If you start applying even 2 or 3 of these tips, you will notice a big difference in your finances within a few months. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Comment below and tell me which tip you are going to start using first. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Master USA for more smart money, saving, and finance tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.